Welcome to AI Video Studio. Today, we're diving deep into Pika AI, the revolutionary AI video generator that's transforming content creation. This tutorial will unlock the full potential of Pika's mind-blowing features. In this guide, we'll explore 6 powerful tools: Pikaffects for stunning visual transformations, PIKAFRAMES for seamless keyframe transitions, PIKASCENES for full scene generation, PIKADDITIONS for inserting objects into existing videos, PIKASWAPS for replacing elements, and PIKATWISTS for adding dynamic motion effects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be creating professional quality AI videos that rival traditional production methods, all without expensive equipment or years of editing experience. So let's get started. Let's kick things off with Pikaffects, one of Pika's most creative and entertaining feature. Introduced in Pika 1.5, Pikaffects are animated effects that can transform any character or object in your videos with just a single click. Think of Pikaffects as a collection of magical transformations that bring a new dimension to your content. These aren't simple filters or overlays. They're sophisticated AI-powered effects that understand the structure and context of your subjects. Let's take a look how they work. Start with a clear image or video of your subject. The AI performs best when the subject is well-defined with good lighting and a relatively simple background. Apply your chosen effect and Pika handles the rest. Pikaffects work exceptionally well with portraits, products, and characters. For best results, ensure your subject is centered and well lit. You can also combine Pikaffects with other Pika features for even more creative possibilities. And don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the most unexpected combinations create the most engaging content. These effects have become incredibly popular on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, because they instantly make content more engaging and shareable. Next up is PikaFrames, the revolutionary keyframe transition system introduced in Pika 2.2. This feature is a game changer for creators who need precise control over their video sequences. PikaFrames let you create smooth, cinematic animations by defining multiple keyframes that the AI seamlessly connects. PikaFrames enables transitions from 1 to 10 seconds, giving you great control over your video's pacing and narrative flow. You can upload multiple images, anywhere from 2 to 5 keyframes, and Pika will generate fluid motion between them, creating a cohesive visual story. Here's how the process works. First, prepare your sequence of images. These could be different poses of a character showing progression, various angles of a product for a 360-degree showcase, or completely different scenes you want to blend together in a narrative sequence. Upload them to Pika in the order you want them to appear. Add a descriptive prompt explaining the desired action or transition style, and let the AI work its magic. The system intelligently interprets the visual differences between frames and generates realistic motion paths, maintaining consistency in lighting, perspective, color grading, and overall aesthetics. This is perfect for creating product showcases where you want to highlight different angles, character animations that show emotional progression, or storytelling sequences that require smooth visual flow. Now let's explore PIKASCENES, your one-click solution for generating complete video scenes from scratch, using just a text prompt or image. To use PIKASCENES effectively, structure your prompts thoughtfully and strategically. For example, instead of just saying, "a person walking in a forest," Try cinematic footage, golden hour lighting, a lone traveler with hiking gear, walking slowly through a misty autumn forest path. PIKASCENES interprets your prompt, understanding not just the objects and characters you describe, but also the mood, atmosphere, cinematic style, and narrative context you're aiming for. The AI generates consistent environments with proper physics simulation, realistic lighting behavior, atmospheric effects, and coherent motion that feels natural and purposeful. Now let's explore PIKADDITIONS, one of Pika's most creative and technically impressive features. This tool allows you to insert new objects, characters, animals, or elements into existing videos while maintaining perfect integration with the original footage. The process is straightforward but yields professional results. First, upload your base video, the footage you want to enhance or modify. This could be anything from a simple street scene to a complex environment with multiple elements. Then, upload a reference image of what you want to add, whether it's a person, an animal, a vehicle, or any object you can imagine. Finally, write a descriptive prompt explaining how and where this element should appear in your scene. What makes PIKADDITIONS revolutionary is its sophisticated understanding of scene composition. It doesn't just paste elements onto your video like a simple overlay. The AI analyzes the scene's lighting, perspective and depth, motion patterns, and physics. PIKASWAPS takes video editing to an entirely new level by allowing you to replace objects within your videos using advanced AI-powered in-painting technology. Think of it as having a magic wand that can transform any element in your scene while maintaining perfect visual consistency. Start with your video containing the object or element you want to replace. This could be virtually anything: a product someone is holding, a vehicle in a street scene, or architectural elements. Use Pika's intuitive brush tool to carefully select the specific area or object you want to swap. The brush allows for precise selection, and you can adjust the size for detailed work. Then, either describe what you want in its place using a detailed text prompt, or upload a reference image of the replacement object. The AI processes your request and seamlessly integrates the replacement while preserving all the original video's motion and dynamics. Let's explore some practical applications. For fashion and apparel, you can change clothing colors, styles, or even entire outfits on models and existing footage. This is invaluable for testing different product lines or creating seasonal variations without additional photo shoots. In automotive content, replace car models and driving footage, change vehicle colors for different market preferences, or upgrade features like wheels, interior elements, or body modifications. For creative and artistic projects, transform everyday objects into surreal alternatives, like changing a coffee cup into a glowing potion. Finally, let's explore PIKATWISTS, one of Pika's newest and most entertaining features designed specifically for modern social media content. PIKATWISTS adds dynamic, creative motion effects to your existing videos with just a single click, taking your footage to the next level with personality, energy, and viral appeal. The feature works with video content, which means you'll need to start with existing footage. This could be videos you've already created using PIKASCENES, footage you've generated from images using Pika's image to video feature, or any other video content you want to enhance. Simply upload your video and describe the changes you want to make. And there you have it, the complete, comprehensive guide to Pika AI's most powerful features. Pika AI represents the cutting edge of video generation technology, transforming content creation in ways we could only imagine just a few years ago. Whether you're a solo creator working from your bedroom, a marketing professional managing multiple campaigns, or a digital artist exploring new frontiers, these tools empower you to produce professional quality videos without the costly equipment, large teams, or years of technical training. If you found this tutorial helpful and valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe to AI Video Studio for more cutting-edge AI tutorials where we explore the latest tools and techniques in artificial intelligence for creators.